Ever wondered how your travel agent affords that swanky downtown office? Or those glossy brochures that make you dream of azure seas and golden beaches? Well, it's certainly not by magic, but rather through a well-oiled machine of commissions and service fees. As the architects of your vacations, travel agents earn their keep by pocketing commissions from airlines, hotels, cruise lines, and a smorgasbord of other travel-related services. Each time they craft an itinerary for you, they're not just arranging your trip, they're curating an experience. And for this, they receive a cut from the providers they book with. But that's not all. Many travel agents also charge service fees for their time, and these can vary widely, from a flat fee for simple bookings to a more substantial sum for complex multi-destination trips. They are, after all, experts in their field, and their expertise comes at a price. So, next time you're booking a trip, spare a thought for your travel agent. They're not just booking your holidays, they're running a business. Think your travel agent is just making a quick phone call to book your holiday? Think again. They're diving deep into a complex ocean of commissions, a hidden world that's as intriguing as the destinations they help you explore. Let's dive into the depths of this commission structure. Commissions are often a percentage of the total booking cost. Picture your travel agent as a savvy negotiator, skillfully navigating through percentages to get the best deal. This percentage can vary wildly, depending on the supplier and the specific product. Now let's talk numbers. Commissions can range from as low as 5% to as high as 20% or more. Imagine the possibilities. That dreamy cruise or that luxury safari could be contributing a handsome sum to your agent's pocket, all thanks to the magic of commissions. It's a world where every booking counts, a world of percentages and pennies, where your dream vacation helps make someone else's dream a reality. It's a world of percentages and pennies, where every booking counts. But wait, there's more to the story than just commissions. Indeed, the financial tapestry of travel agents extends into the realm of service fees. You see, service fees are like a cherry on top of the cake, an additional source of income for travel agents. They are often charged for the time and expertise that goes into planning your perfect getaway. Consider this. When you're planning a trip, there's a lot to think about. Flights, hotels, transfers, excursions, the list goes on. Travel agents pour their expertise and time into crafting these complex itineraries, ensuring every detail is just right. And for that, they charge a service fee. These fees aren't one size fits all, oh no. They can vary depending on the complexity of the trip and the level of service provided. Planning a 2-week luxury safari in Africa? That might require a higher service fee than a weekend city break. So, while you're lounging on that tropical beach, remember that your travel agent worked hard to get you there. So, there you have it. The hidden world of travel agents and money. We've pulled back the curtain on the art of travel and how money exchanges hands behind the scenes. We've explored the hidden world of commissions, those little percentages that add up to make a significant difference, and we dove into the realm of service fees, the necessary charges that keep the wheels of this industry turning. Remember, travel agents are not just there to book your trips, they're running a business, and these fees are a crucial part of their income. It's a careful balance between providing you with the best travel experience and maintaining their livelihood. So the next time you book a trip, remember that every transaction is a journey into this fascinating world of travel and money. If you found this peek behind the scenes interesting, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing insights. Remember, every trip you book is a journey into the fascinating world of travel and money,